Hi everyone. Today I would like to share a quick few step for you how to get started from the Seesaw. This video will be helping you or your student to set up and learn how to navigate the Seesaw website. So as far as you know, the Seesaw creates a powerful learning loop between teacher, student, and families. Seesaw make your child thinkings and learning visible. Your child is able to complete assignments and post their journals or work using the class app. And your child use the Seesaw learning tool like a photo, drawing, record, video to create the reflects on and show their learnings. Besides that, Seesaw also engage with your child learning in the real time on the family app. So family can using the family app to see and celebrate your child role. Leave the comments of encouragement and also connect to your children journals in one place. Also communicate with the teacher on the family app. Parents also able to receive the resources and announcement message one-to-one with the teacher and then respond with type message or click on, by using the photo, video, and more. So let's go over and see how we can work together to help you log in. So in order to log in, there is two options for you. One, if you're using iPhone, log in by your iPhone or Android, you can download the class, the Seesaw app on your on the shop, or you can type the app .seesaw.me on your Chromebook. So when you click on, when you enter those, they will be pop up the site, so you can log into by the student by clicking on I'm a student. So when you click in I'm the student, there is three ways for you to log in. The first way you can do is sign in with the code, either by text code or the SQ code that your teacher provided. The second way is to sign in with the email address. And the third way is sign in with the Clever. So either one of them, if you would like to sign in with your text code, so just enter the code right here, click go, or click on the scan code. The window will be open, and then you scan that, or you can put your email address and sign in. Once you're done with that step, you are in. So you will see your computer screen will be look like this. Welcome you to the Seesaw. And on the Seesaw page, there is they have the journal, activities, and the inbox. Let's explore what is that mean. So when you click on the journal page, it means you can see all the student work that they have been posted throughout the years. It will be displayed on the screen on the side of your computer. So for the activities, is It will be displays all the assignments of the teacher that assign to your child, the new and the old one. So pay attention to the red number right here. Is indicate that how many assignment that your teacher or your child's teacher have been posted to your child. How to respond to the activities or the assignments. So when you click on the activities, you will see your window will be pop up something like this, and they have like the assignment, or they call activities, specific what is about, and then the guidance that the teacher put it in. In order to working on each activities or assignment, you need to click on add respond, the green button right here. When you click on the add respond, the page will be pop up the window like this for you, and you can create, draw, or do by like typings or drawing or speaking. So they have the option for you which way that you would like to do your assignments. Once you complete that work, make sure you click on the green check plus button on the top right of your window to submit the work. So once you've done that, the teacher will be receive it, your homework or assignment. Also, it's like on the tab, what is the inbox mean? Inbox is where the teacher, student, and parents communicate to each other. You can use the inbox to check your email or the message from the teacher, or you can send the message to your student teacher, or even you can send the message to your child to encourage them to do when they do the good work. Thank you for listening and watching my video. Don't forget to press on the subscribe to receive my upcoming videos. I look forward to see you in my next videos.